for the opening of the Metropolitan's new Greek and Roman galleries. It's considered one of the great masterpieces of antiquity. Its Greek panels show scenes from the life of the Greek hero Achilles. It was done by chance in 1902 by a shepherd who sold the first scrap metal to buy tiles for his roof. The chariot was then taken to Rome, allegedly hidden in a pharmacy, and then made its way to Paris. According to lawyer Mazzini, that's where U.S. financier J.P. Morgan bought it and shipped it to New York.
Yeah, the truth is probably legal because in 1904, a senator, Robert Bell, made a parliamentary inquiry regarding the exportation, illegal exportation of to the United States.
In February 1996, the New York Times reported on what it called
No, 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 no.
exportation to the United States. Here in Montevideo, Nigeria, presents in postcards, posters, and even a but Mayor says Montevideo will never give up the battle to get the original one back. He says it's our duty as the heirs and successors of the Etruscan